Happy New Year mga palangga! Grabe ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Parang kailan lang na welcome natin yung year 2024 at eto na naman tayo. Dadating naman ang panibagong taon. And for today's video mga palangga, dahil naging part kayo ng journey ko, especially here in my small YouTube channel, gusto ko din i-share sa inyo mga palangga kung ano nga ba yung mga naging realizations ko for the year 2024, yung mga financial achievements ko, and also yung mga mistakes and learnings ko. Honestly, I can say na sobrang dami ko natutunan for the year 2024. Though sobrang bilis lang ng mga pangyayari, hindi ko akalain na tapos na yung mga nangyari na yun. So sobrang bilis lahat ng mga pangyayari, pero ang dami nangyari sa life ko, especially with my personal finance. So this year 2024, I uploaded more than 150 videos here in my small YouTube channel, and most of my videos is all about credit cards. So ang dami ko natutunan mga palangga for the year 2024 about credit cards as a beginner, yung mga strategies, and knowing credit card, how it works. And aside from learning more about credit cards, natutunan ko din yung pagsisave, and also about stocks, na experience ko din yung pag-enter sa stocks. Though hindi siya naging successful, pero it's been a great experience na matry ko yung stocks. Additionally, natutunan ko din to say no sa ibang mga bagay. Before kasi yes lang ako ng yes lahat ng mga bagay na dumadating sa life ko. But now, I have realized na dapat kontrolado ko dapat yung mga nangyayari sa life ko. So natutunan ko to say no sa mga bagay na hindi ko naman talaga gusto. And one of example ng mga palangga is when BDO sent me an unexpected credit card. So in-examine ko muna mga palangga if that credit card will benefit me or not, kung kapakipakinabang nga ba siya or maging beneficial nga ba siya based from my daily spending. So based from my research naman, hindi siya ganun ka-beneficial sa akin. So I decided to cancel and say no about that credit card. Ang dami ko ding mga naging achievements this year 2024, and very memorable siya sa akin kasi I traveled from different places. Especially this year din nangyari with my first international travel in the country of Thailand. So first time kong pumunta ng ibang bansa. Very memorable siya for me at dahil support locals tayo. So we also been to Guimaras and Iloilo. So very memorable talaga this year 2024. And this year 2024 din, na-fulfill ko din yung goal ko na may isama ko yung mom ko with my travel. So with her first airplane ride. So very fulfilling for me na naipaparanas ko din sa mama ko, sa parent ko, yung mga bagay na hindi din nila naranasan before. And despite of those good things and achievements na nangyari sa akin, naging masalimot din yung year 2024 ko mga palangga nung dumating yung pangyayari na na-hack yung Maya account ko where all my savings lost and also my emergency fund. So sobrang masalimot talaga yung pagtapos ng taon ko. Kasi akalain mo yun, those are my financial achievements from the previous year of 2023 na ma-achieve ko yung more than 100,000 pesos pagdating sa emergency funds, and then this year 2024 is nawala na lang siya na parang bula. So sobrang nakakalungkot. And speaking of Maya, bigyan ko na rin kayo ng update mga palangga. Up until now, hindi ko pa naman siya nare-recover yung funds ko, and then yung last update ko from BSP is noong December 22. So sabi nila meron na daw BSP officer na nag-check or nag-manage ng case ko. So I'm still waiting for the response pa rin. Pero mukhang 2025 na. Mukhang 2025 na bago ako magkaroon na update sa kanila. Pero I'm still hoping pa rin na may magagawa ng paraan si BSP o kaya si Maya man lang. Si Maya, ganun pa rin yung experience ko sa kanila. Pabago-bago yung mga responses nila. Some says na close na daw. Some says na under investigation. So hindi ko sila maintindihan. Pero gusto ko rin kayo pasalamatan mga palangga for helping me to recover. Doon dami ko mga naging videos about it. Yung mga naging journey ko with this. Na-appreciate ko pa yung mga advices na receive ko with that video or with what happened to my Maya. And I have learned my lesson mga palangga, kaya this year 2025, I'll make sure to protect my savings na moving forward. Sabi nga, when the door closes, another door opens. So I'm hoping for greater opportunity na mangyayari sa atin o dadating sa life natin this year 2025. So ganun talaga yung buhay. It's really true na parang gulong siya. Sometimes our financial life is nasa taas, sometimes naman nasa baba. Kaya naman natutunan ko to be prepared at maging maingat sa lahat ng bagay and also enjoy the things that truly matters. And for my YouTube journey naman mga palangga, for the year 2024, most of my uploads are about credit cards at nadagdagan niya yung kaisa-isa kong credit card, itong BPI-MR Cashback Credit Card. Nanganak na siya ng 3. So nag-i-apat na yung credit card ko for the year 2024 na magagamit ko rin mga palangga to share with you about my learnings this year 2025. 2025. So, hindi ako titigil sa pag-share ng mga knowledge ko, yung mga natutunan ko, especially sa mga credit card beginners at sa mga kapwa ko na nag-a-adjust with adulting life. So, I want to share my knowledge din, especially sa mga beginners like me. So, gusto ko din ma-share yung mga natutunan ko and also yung mga experiences ko. So, I'll continue to upload more videos, helpful videos this year 2025, especially about my personal finance, about credit cards, and also my adulting journey. So, I want to share all of those things sa inyo mga palangga para naman sabay-sabay nating ma-achieve yung mga financial goals natin this year 2025 as well. And lastly, isa sa mga pinaka-maganda ko natutunan for the year 2024 is to slow down and focus more on what truly matters. Kung noong 2023, I've learned about minimalism and also giving value on what truly matters. Pero this year 2024, natutunan ko to slow down things kasi naisip ko na parang ang bilis lang ng mga pangyayari. Hindi ko na-enjoy itong mga bagay-bagay na ito, na may mga magandang dumadating sa life ko, pero parang ang bibilis lang, so hindi ko masyado na-enjoy. Kaya naman, ayun, natutunan ko to slow down things and focus more on what truly matters, which is yung building relationships with my loved ones and also with my family. Kasi I have realized na at the end of the day, sila pa din yung hanap-hanapin natin who will complete us, our family, our loved ones, and our friends. Kaya naman this year 2025, it's going to be an opportunity for me, not only for me, but also for you as well, to build more relationships, to value our relationships to our loved ones and our families. Hindi ko na masyadong papatagalin tong video na to, but I want to thank you guys. Thank you mga palangga for continue supporting me, sa mga bago nag-support sa akin this year 2024. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yun. And this year 2025, samahan nyo pa rin ako mga palangga with my journey in this platform, especially with my personal finance and adulting journey. Again, maraming salamat for supporting me for the year 2024. You guys are the reason kung bakit ako nag-upload ng madaming videos, and I hope na naging helpful yung mga uploads ko since madami naman nanonood ng mga personal finance videos ko. So, I guess I have to upload more about personal finance para ma-achieve natin yung mga financial goals natin this coming year 2025. So, that's it for today's video mga palangga. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already for more contents like this. Again, this is John Paul, and this year 2025, always remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Have a prosperous new year mga palangga, and see you all on 2025. Bye!